What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a different kind of RC to review. I found this guy on auction, and if you are familiar with the COD video game that's played on consoles and PCs across the world, Call of Duty, this is an RC produced by Activision, Call of Duty Black Ops, and we're gonna find out what it can and can't do. I saw it and I have some ideas for it, and we're gonna see if it'll work out for me. So stay tuned, because this review is coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Enemies.
So let's get right into this. I saw this on auction, and this is an RC that I've never seen before or even knew existed. So when I saw it, I thought it would be pretty cool to bring to the channel and to do a review on. And as I looked at, the things that's on the top, or the lack of obstacles, I thought I could use this. It could be utilized for when I shoot videos and things of that nature. So I bid on it and fortunately won it, and it just arrived today, which is Friday. I took the liberty of unscrewing the covers off the back of the controller and the RC itself. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it, and the screw doesn't go anywhere, which is a plus. And this is what the controller looks like. It has like a little LED display, and we also have some kind of speaker system here, so that will be interesting to figure out what that is. And I haven't turned it on, so we'll be discovering all this together. Once I took off the battery covers, I discovered that this guy is going to need 12. Yes, 12 batteries. You're going to need 6 for the transmitter, and you're going to need 6 right there for the car itself. You happen to come across this, I would suggest you get some rechargeable batteries. That's what I'm probably going to have to do. But before I get any rechargeable batteries, I'm just going to put regular batteries in it and see what she's capable of doing. Now, if she's capable of doing what I hope she's capable of doing, then I will go ahead and make the purchase for rechargeable batteries. But if not, I'll just chalk it up as another RC. It is unique. I haven't seen anything like it. You have shocks on here, which is great for all terrain. It is rear wheel drive, and then you can turn left and right. It's not really much here to explain on it. It's just a basic looking RC. If you've played the game and you know where you can.
A few moments later.
If you played the game and you know where you can use the RC car to kind of scope out the area, or even it'll have like a bomb on there and you can just remote in and explode something or kill people, that's pretty much what this is. Not that this will do that, but that's what they pretty much mimic this off of. So it's really not a lot to explain. You have the antenna right here. Where's my Mickey Mouse? So here is where the power or the motor is stored. You see these 2 wires here, black and red, which comes down here into here, and there's, it says pairing. I'm not sure what all that means. I don't know if that's just a gimmick or if that's something that actually needs to be done. You can see the batteries down here. Here you have the shocks, and this is just, I have no idea what this is or what it It's just a plain looking RC that looks like, you know, they've added battle scars into it, like it's seen battle before, like, you know, things of that nature. You can see little marks and everything. But I'm really curious to find out what this receiver can do. So let's just get into it, put the 12 batteries in and see what it can actually do. Hopefully it actually works, because again, like I said, I got this at auction. So let's turn it on. Oh, cool. Shows I got a full charge. Oh, wow. This is, make sure y'all get a good shot of that. That's pretty cool. I'm digging it so far. I'm digging it. All right, let's just turn this off and screw in this guy here. All right, 6 more batteries into the vehicle. This is the cover that goes on the vehicle. So we got power on the transmitter. Let's just hope that the actual vehicle itself works. So the on off button is right here. So let's put that on. Oh, something's happening. We got red light for confirmation. Let's turn this on. Okay. Hello? 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 I think you can kind of hear an echo. I think this truck has like a mic on it, because I can hear myself through the speaker here. I don't know if y'all can hear that echo. Wait, is that a camera? Oh my goodness, look, it's a spy. It's a spy. Oh, that's awesome, guys. I wonder if it can record. So if you can see my Mickey Mouse pointer right there, let's turn it around. Oh man, that's pretty cool, man. Well, let's make sure that the vehicle can actually function. Doesn't look like the turning radius is that great. So it's pretty much just gonna be back and forth. Okay. She looks like she wants to go. Speed and pairing. This is a closer look at the transmitter. Oh, so it has like low speed. Let's see what it does on high speed. Okay, she got a little get up and go. Okay, may have to drag race this. Yeah, there you have it. The Activision COD or Call of Duty Black Ops Spy Remote RC is what I'm going to call it. Okay, it says Activision 2010. So this came out in 2010. It's new to me, and if you've never seen it, it's new to you too. good luck finding it, because I just happened to stumble across it on an auction, and yeah, I'm glad I did, because this is pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed this brief review. We will take it out and see what it can do in the real world. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything new that we post. You will also have to hit that notification bell for that. We have over 600 videos, so feel free to just check out all of those videos, like and comment. Would appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. We have hit 7,000
subscribers. Thank you all.
That's right. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much. This is like a dream come true for No Pro. And yeah, I'm gonna take her out and see if she can actually do what I purchased her for. So that should be interesting. You want to stay tuned for that. Thanks again for everything. I appreciate y'all. Until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.